Welcome to Unit 3, Developing a Business Model. This unit is part of the virtual guide on entrepreneurship developed by the Hacktex project. In it, we will explore the importance of having a business model and the steps involved in developing one for smart textiles, products or services. The unit is divided into 3 parts. This video is the second part of the unit. Part 2 discusses how to develop a business canvas, referring to developing the business model canvas, customer segments, defining the value proposition, channels, and customer relationships. 1. Developing the business model canvas. The business model canvas is a strategic tool that helps to visualize and develop a comprehensive business model. It consists of 9 key elements that are crucial for any business, including for smart textiles. The 9 elements of the business model canvas are: customer segments, the specific groups of customers that the business is targeting; value proposition, the unique benefit that the product or service provides to the customers; channels, the methods used to reach and interact with the customers; customer relationships, the type of relationships that the business has with the customers, such as personal or automated; revenue streams, the sources of revenue for the business; key activities, the main activities required to deliver the product or service; key resources, the resources required to deliver the product or service, such as materials, equipment, and personnel; key partners, the external partners that the business works with, such as suppliers or distributors; cost structure, the costs associated with delivering the product or service. 2. Customer segments. Customer segments are groups of customers with similar needs, characteristics, and behavior patterns. Identifying and understanding customer segments is crucial for effective business strategy and value proposition design. To create a successful business model, it is essential to clearly define and prioritize the customer segments that the product or service will target. There are different ways to segment the market, depending on the specific product or service and the target market. Common customer segmentation methods include demographic segmentation, dividing customers by age, gender, income, education, and other demographic factors; psychographic segmentation, dividing customers by their interests, values, personality, and lifestyle; behavioral segmentation, dividing customers by their buying behavior, product usage, and decision-making process; geographic segmentation, dividing customers by their geographic location and regional factors. Once the customer segments have been defined, it is important to develop a deep understanding of their needs, preferences, and pain points. This can involve gathering data through market research methods such as surveys, focus groups, and interviews. The insights gained from this research can then be used to tailor the product or service to the specific needs of each customer segment, and develop a marketing strategy that resonates with them. Types of customer segments and specific value propositions. Mass market. Mass market segments target a broad range of customers without specific demographic or psychographic distinctions. The value proposition aims to appeal to a large customer base and is often based on common needs or preferences. Niche market. Niche market segments focus on serving a specific subset of customers with unique needs or characteristics. The value proposition is tailored to address the specific pain points and preferences of the niche audience. Segmented market. Segmented market segments divide the overall market into distinct groups based on specific demographics, behaviors, or preferences. The value proposition is customized to address the specific needs and desires of each segment. B2B and B2C customer segments. When developing a business model, it is important to consider the difference between the 2 customer segments: B2B, business to business, and B2C, business to consumer. This can influence pricing, marketing, distribution channels, and customer support decisions. B2B stands for business to business, which refers to businesses that sell products or services to other businesses. This includes manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors who sell products to retailers or other businesses. B2B customers are typically looking for products or services that can help them improve their business operations, increase efficiency, reduce costs, or improve their products or services. B2C stands for business to consumer, which refers to businesses that sell products or services directly to individual consumers. This includes retailers, online stores, and service providers who sell products or services to individual customers. B2C customers are typically looking for products or services that can help them solve a specific problem or meet a specific need, such as clothing, food, or entertainment. B2C stands for business to consumer, which refers to businesses that sell products or services directly to individual consumers. This includes retailers, online stores, and service providers who sell products or services to individual customers. B2C customers are typically looking for products or services that can help them solve a specific problem or meet a specific need, such as clothing, food, or entertainment. Some key differences between the two categories are: B2B customers typically purchase in larger quantities than B2C customers. B2B customers are more likely to make a purchase based on factors such as price, quality, and reliability. B2C customers are more likely to make a purchase based on factors such as convenience, personal preferences, and emotions. B2B sales cycles are typically longer and involve more decision makers than B2C sales cycles. B2B customers often require more personalized attention and support than B2C customers. For example, a smart textiles company that specializes in creating safety equipment for industrial workers may focus on a B2B customer segment, as their products may require customization and longer sales cycles. On the other hand, a company that creates smart clothing for athletes may focus on a B2C customer segment, where convenience and style may be more important. When developing a business model, there are some key considerations regarding customer segments. Customer needs and behaviors. Understand the needs, preferences, and behaviors of different customer segments. Identify their pain points, motivations, and desired outcomes to design targeted value propositions. Market size and growth potential. Assess the size, growth potential, and profitability of each customer segment. Prioritize segments with the highest market potential and align them with the business's capabilities. Competitive landscape. Analyze the competition within each customer segment. Identify gaps, opportunities, and differentiation strategies to effectively compete and capture market share. Adaptability and evolution. Customer segments may evolve over time due to changing market dynamics. Continuously monitor and adapt the customer segment strategy to stay aligned with evolving customer needs. 3. Defining the value proposition. The value proposition refers to the unique benefit that the product or service provides to the customer. The value proposition should clearly articulate the specific benefit that the product or service provides to the customer. This could include comfort, durability, functionality, or sustainability features. It should also clearly distinguish the product or service from competitors in the market and communicate why it is the best option for the customer. Elements of the value proposition. Customer needs. Understand the specific needs, pain points, and desires of the target customers. Tailor the value proposition to address these needs and provide meaningful solutions. Unique selling proposition. Define the unique features, benefits, or advantages that set the product or service apart from competitors. Clearly communicate why customers should choose your offering over others. Competitive advantage. Identify the competitive advantages that differentiate the business in the market. This can include factors like pricing, quality, convenience, innovation, customer service, or brand reputation. Value delivery. Articulate how the product or service delivers value to customers. Highlight the specific benefits, outcomes, or experiences that customers can expect. Defining the value proposition. Examples of value propositions for smart textiles products could include smart athletic clothing with a high degree of comfort, including moisture-wicking characteristics, that keeps the user cool and dry during workouts while monitoring its vital signs. Smart clothing that maintain their functionality after a high number of washing cycles. Durable and long-lasting workwear with sensing capabilities that protects the customer from workplace hazards. Sustainable and eco-friendly smart textiles with lower carbon footprint that reduce environmental impact while providing high-quality performance. By defining and communicating a strong value proposition, a smart textiles company can differentiate itself from competitors and provide a compelling reason for customers to choose their product or service. 4. Channels. Channels refer to the ways businesses deliver their value propositions to customers. Choosing the right channels is essential for reaching target customers effectively and efficiently. There are various types of channels that a company can use to reach its customers, including direct channels, selling the product or service directly to the customer through an online store or physical retail location. Indirect channels, selling the product or service through third-party retailers or distributors, such as partnerships with athletic wear retailers or industrial safety equipment suppliers. Online channels, using e-commerce platforms or social media to reach customers and promote the product or service. Offline channels, using traditional marketing and advertising channels such as print or broadcast media to reach customers. For example, a smart textiles company that specializes in creating clothing for athletes may prioritize online channels and social media to reach younger, tech-savvy customers who are more likely to make purchases through e-commerce platforms. On the other hand, a company that creates smart fabrics for industrial use may prioritize direct sales and partnerships with established distributors to reach their target market. Factors to consider when choosing channels. Customer preferences. Consider the preferred channels of the target customers. Understand how they prefer to discover, purchase, and interact with products or services. Cost and efficiency. Evaluate the cost-effectiveness and efficiency of different channels. Analyze factors like distribution costs, reach, scalability, and resource requirements. Competitive landscape. Assess the distribution channels used by competitors. Identify gaps or opportunities to differentiate through alternative or innovative channels. 5. Customer relationships. Customer relationships refer to the interactions and connections that businesses establish and maintain with their customers. Building strong customer relationships is vital for customer satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term business success. Customer relationships influence customer retention, repeat purchases, and positive word of mouth. They contribute to understanding customer needs, personalizing experiences, and gaining competitive advantage. There are different types of customer relationships that a company can cultivate, depending on the specific product or service and the target market. Some common types of customer relationships include personal assistance, providing individualized attention and support to customers, such as through one-on-one consultations or dedicated customer service representatives. Self-service, enabling customers to interact with the product or service on their own terms, such as through online support resources or mobile apps. Co-creation, involving customers in the product development process, such as through crowdsourcing or feedback sessions. Communities, building a community around the product or service, such as through social media or user groups. Automated, using automated systems and technology to deliver personalized experiences at scale. When developing a business model, it is important to determine the most effective customer relationship model for the target market and customer segments. This can influence decisions regarding marketing and sales strategies, as well as the types of customer support and engagement that are provided. For example, a smart textiles company that specializes in creating clothing for athletes may prioritize personal assistance and individualized attention, such as through in-person fittings and consultations with fitness experts. On the other hand, a company that produces smart fabrics with embroidered sensors may focus on self-service and online support resources to provide quick and efficient solutions for customers. By developing strong customer relationships that align with the needs and preferences of the target market, a smart textiles company can build brand loyalty and generate repeat business, leading to long-term success. Summary. This presentation deals with part of the steps needed in developing a business model canvas and emphasizes the following main ideas. Customer segments in the business model canvas help identify distinct groups of customers with specific needs, allowing businesses to tailor their offerings and strategies to effectively capture market opportunities. A compelling value proposition clearly communicates the unique benefit of a product or service, differentiates it from competitors, and convinces customers why it is the best choice. Developing strong customer relationships and effective channels for delivering products and services is key to building brand loyalty and reaching customers.